Hi everyone, what's up today? Well, I'll give you an update on the piggies. The video I just uploaded for me washing and maintaining the pigs, I just did that on Monday, and look at that, they're peeing all over the place, eh? Yeah, they're so cute to own. Alright, so you got your 15 minutes of fame. Now it's time to go back to the tea videos. So it's been a while since I last posted a new tea video. The latest one was the Mythbuster video 45. So in that Mythbuster video, I did explain that I was going to get a new Acanthoscurria species, and it's the suina, commonly called the Sulphur brown bird eater or something like that. There are a whole bunch of common names. I'm just going to go with that one. So thanks to Alex Payton, one of my fans on YouTube, has sent me a $20 gift certificate at Tarantula Canada, so I picked up that one. And I kind of pissed off two Canadians because they wanted that one and I got the last one. So if those of you who are watching, I'm sorry. You had your chance, but first come, first serve. And I don't know why people had a fascination over it. My guess, because Martin and Amanda at Tarantula Canada didn't have a very good picture of it, so when they updated it, a lot of people went crazy for the species, and two people asked her and said, nope, John bought the last one, and so did I. So, I'll show you how much I paid for the tea. Now, keep in mind, Canadian prices, everyone. I know it's probably going to be a lot cheaper than in Europe. Okay, so here's the suina. So it was about $30 for 2.5 inches. Of course with tax, since I live in Quebec. So that's around $14.40 with Alex gift certificate. Not bad, not bad. So this is a very new tarantula that I've never owned before, but the care sheet is very, very similar to the Acanthoscurria, Brocklehurstine, and Geniculata that I own. So they're pretty easy to take care of. So they're going to get a very similar size, like 6 to 8 inches. Maybe not as big as a Geniculata. But this is what my tea looks like. And I have pinch grabbed her. And she's fairly skittish, but not too bad. Okay, so I'll actually, hang on, before... Now let me put a macro so you can actually see the ventral shot. I confirmed it to be a female. Yeah, you see that? Epigastric furrow, confirmed female, the last Acanthoscurria suina. Gotta love it. I am very, very happy. So that's pretty much its adult colors. It's nothing that exciting to the Geniculata and the Brocklehurstine, but I guess it's a cool beauty in its own right, seeing though it is going to get pretty large. And as typical of the Acanthoscurrias, they're going to have a voracious appetite, so you're probably going to see many feeding videos with this one as well as my other Acanthoscurrias. So that's really cool. That was an awesome deal, especially for a female. Yeah. So, now, about the new feeding video. So this is going to be number 100. It's going to mark a milestone. So I did get myself the crickets as well as superworms. So I haven't decided on what I'll do with the feeding video and how I'm going to structure it. It is going to be using this camera, definitely, in HD. 1080p is the video is recording right now, and I'm going to see what I'm going to do with it. It's not going to be one big video, because I know definitely this camera is huge when I upload video files. With my Mythbuster videos, it's around a gig or two. So I'm probably going to split up into parts, but you're going to see it. It's probably going to be one of the cool feeding videos, as you probably accept for my channel. So, on Friday, I still have to do many rehouse videos. I've been contemplating on doing that, but it's been so busy with my schoolwork I'm going to make some time on Friday before I make the feeding video. I am going to be transferring the blue ring centipede, which is over here. It's going to get a critter keeper very similar to this one here. The what is it called? Critophilus ramsey, that's going to get a new enclosure. So is the Poecilotheria hanamavila sinica. As you can see, I think she's a new enclosure, and I'm going to give it a very, very similar setup to these guys right over here. Yeah, I do have some mold in here. I'm going to have to up the ventilation a little bit from this one. And there's a Viridaceous fishing spider. Really cool to own, but oh, incredibly fast. I think it's even faster than my tappies, that's for sure. But it's very, very cool. And there's that Lasiodurides striatus. That's the one in my video when I recorded the expo, that huge T that we saw with the huge carapace. Could not say no to that. And then the sling from hell, the Formictopus platus. There is the Sparabophrya hoffmanni, the Central American horned. Update here, P. muticus, king baboon. This one's actually growing nicely. This is my Filipino orange. This is the Orphanaceous Philippinus. That's it. Sweet. And there's Jezebel. And all the other teas. Yeah, Miranda's going to actually get this enclosure. So yeah, I'm going to be pretty busy on Friday rehousing some teas. As well as this one, I'm going to start giving them the 2-liter shoebox enclosures, very similar to this. So that's pretty much what I wanted to do. Give you an update on the teas, upcoming rehouses, upcoming feeding videos, as well as a new addition to my collection. Yeah, and that's the latest addition also to film. The Acanthoscurria suina, also known as the sulphur brown bird eater. Thank you so much, Alex, for that gift certificate to get this nice, lovely tea. We're going to see her often in many of the feeding videos. That I can tell you as much. She's already pretty fat too. Cool. I know she's well fed. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come.